Including a new report showing February's private sector job growth was the weakest it's been since last summer. So let's bring Doug Flynn in on all of this. A couple of minutes left in the trading day from Flynn Zito Capital Management. On the tariffs, we knew, one day this goes one way and now we go back the other way. What do you make of what the president has done?
Yes, the automakers got hit harder yesterday when the market was down the last 2 days, and then today they're rallying on the news that it's just a 1 month delay. It's still part of that plan they're putting together for every country about what's the combined impact of the tariffs. That's going to come out April 2nd now, no longer April 1st. But this gives a 30-day reprieve for the auto industry as long as it was going to be part of the USMCA. Anyway, our auto industry is very intertwined between the three countries, so it's a wise carve-out, but it's all part of the plan of trying to get this to something of a better deal overall, I think, is where we're going with this.
I didn't love the economic data today, just for a couple of reasons. If you think about the environment, ADP is the firm that does this private sector job growth, was well below expectations. There's also this report on the service side of the economy from ISM, which was okay, but like ADP, it indicated that people are concerned about the future. So, you think about your CEO, you're running a business now. Why are you going to hire aggressively if you simply don't know what's coming on tariffs and you don't have a lot of certainty?
There's absolutely hiring hesitancy is what it's called. Of course, there's concern about longer term with policy uncertainty and consumers spending less, and that could lead to layoffs. That's certainly out there. But on the plus side, you do have trillions being invested in the U.S., from these tech companies and all this AI build out. But of course, that's a very long-term build out. This is more of the short term. But it is clear that the economy is weakening, and hence that's why interest rates might come down. So that's the mixed bag we're dealing with here. And so how this is going to play in with the tariffs is the wild card of all of this. But the backdrop is that the economy is just kind of lulling along. Listen, it's still better than Europe. It's still better than just about anywhere else on the planet. Yeah. But it's not the 3 or 4% GDP growth they really want to outgrow our way of all this spending on top of everything else that we have going on. That's the way you get out of this, is the extra growth.
We're better than everyone else. Biden tried that, and he's not president anymore. That argument. Thank you, Doug. As always, Doug Flynn there. Closing bell time. Let's check those.